The overall goal of the following experiment is to characterize a multiprotein complex from cellular lysates using blue Native-Polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis, which, in contrast to SDS-PAGE, allows protein separation under native conditions and preserves protein-protein interactions. This is achieved by dialyzing the cellular lysate to remove excess salts, making the sample applicable to separation by blue Native-PAGE. As a second step, the lysate is applied to first dimension blue Native-PAGE, which separates protein complexes under native conditions according to their size and shape. Next, a second dimension denaturing SDS-PAGE is performed in order to subdivide the complexes into their individual constituents. Proteins can be visualized by silver or Kumasi staining or Western blotting. Here, separated proteins were detected by silver stain. In the following demonstration, however, Western blotting will be used.
Hi, I'm Britta Blumenthal from the laboratory of Wolfgang Scharmel in the Department of Molecular Immunology at the Max Planck Institute of Immunobiology in Freiburg, Germany.
Hi, I'm Gina Fiala. I'm also from the Scharmel lab.
Today we will show you a procedure for the analysis of multi-protein complexes from cellular lysates. We use this procedure in our laboratory to study the composition of multi-subunit membrane receptors.
However, in this video, we use the eukaryotic proteasome as an example.
So let's get started!